guys, this is our Target Easter haul. I know you guys might have checked out my Target shop with me for Easter decor. And if you haven't, go check out that video. So the first item for our Target haul are these cute little, I want to call them moss bunnies, but I think they're grass bunnies. $3 at the Target dollar spot or the bullseye spot, whatever you want to call it. And I also have the laying down one. It's both really cute. Well, it looks like something happened to his ears, but nothing a little super glue can't fix. Those are both $3. And I really like how I set up this centerpiece. Here, I'll turn the camera. You can see he's standing in the center of the egg wreath, which is also from the dollar spot, which was $5. And he's standing on top of the bunny pedestal. I think it's the cupcake one. It's the smaller one, the one the egg wreath fits on perfectly. And these are all from the Target dollar spot. Look how cute that is. Be careful though, because these are ceramic and they do break easily. Did have one break on me, and this is the, like where the head attaches to the plate. The next item from our Easter haul are these Spritz Garland. It was $8. It's the macrame kind. I wasn't really into it at first, but I really like the orange and green on the carrots. It's really kind of neutral with a little pop of orange and green. Always good Easter decor to have some more muted pieces, I guess, instead of all the pops of color. The next item is this bunny wreath. Here, let me turn the camera back again. This is bunny wreath by Spritz. And it has all the Easter colors on it. I'm gonna move the cake plate out of the way so you can see. It's just so beautiful. I love the pastels. I love how cute the quilted little sewn green bunnies are, and they even put their little cottontails on there. How cute is that? I believe this was $8 as well. $8. You can hang this on your door, although I would not recommend it if you're in climates where you get lots of water, rain. You wouldn't want to ruin this pretty piece. So most likely indoors, on a door or on a cupboard. Really cute. These are the really cute ceramic bunny measuring spoons that are at the Target dollar spot. They are only $3. And if you're baking with kids this Easter, I would just be careful. And it doesn't even have to be Easter baking, but you could also do spring baking. Those are really cute. I have all this green grass from those bunnies. Another dollar spot item is this egg tree. Super cute. $5. They have two different designs of egg trees. These ones have a little bigger speckled eggs on them, and it's more of a traditional natural design. They also have another one that looks a little more modern, and I'll show you in a little bit. The next spring Easter decor item we got from Target dollar spot was this really cute ceramic basket. You can put this on your table as well, or you can put it on a shelf, or you can put it on your kitchen island, or you can just put it on like a coffee table. Really cute. Fill it with some Easter grass or paper. What is that? I don't know, like the paper shred filling. If you're not into like the plastic grass, I'm not into that plastic grass either because it's really hard to vacuum up. So I prefer the paper ones. And this was only $3. This is the blue one. I believe they had an orange and a green as well. And this one has little bunny heads on it. Super cute. Next item is not from the dollar spot, but it is super cute. It's this little bunny candy dish. You can put that on like your coffee table, so when your guests come over from Easter, they can help themselves to some little egg candy. And this was in the, I believe this is by Threshold. It's by Threshold, and it was over in the kitchen section on the little end cap with all the new Easter items. Another item from Target this year are these really cute ceramic egg candles. They had a white, a yellow, a pink mauve color, and a green. Let me smell it. They don't have a scent listed on them, and I don't have a good enough nose to depict the difference. They kind of smell florally, but what kind of floral, I'm not really sure if they're geranium or what they are. So yeah, they're just really cute. They're kind of hard to get the lid back on straight though, unless you put it exactly correct. See how that's sticking up? But they are really cute just to put anywhere in your decor. And I'm really liking whites and yellows this year for some reason. But I also like the pops of color. I'm kind of like in two different places. I really like the neutral decor, but I also like the pops of color. So I'm trying to incorporate both. And this is one of the more neutral items. Another item we picked up is these Spritz Egg Cups. They're $3 and you get 6 of them. The colors are really popping. There's a green, a yellow, a blue. I want to say that's like an orange because I feel like they incorporate a lot of orange for Easter now. There's a light sky blue and there's also a pink. And those are really fun for kids. Just imagine them putting their eggs in it, if they have a hard-boiled egg or a soft-boiled egg, and they can eat their little eggs out of it, or they can just display the ones they've colored and decorated. And you're getting 6 for $3, so that's a really good deal. This next item are these little salt and pepper shakers from the dollar spot. They are $3. You don't have to use them as salt and pepper shakers. I solely bought them just to put on a 3-tier as a decorative item. If I use them as salt and pepper shakers, maybe, but right now they're just decorative items gonna be. I also picked up another Spritz banner. It was $8. It has the eggs on it, the bunny in the middle, and says Happy Easter, and it also incorporates the orange plus the pastel colors. You can see. Super cute. I know a lot of this stuff is picked over and hard to find, so you might have to go to a couple different Targets. Another item we picked up is this cute throw pillow, locally grown and organic, carrot patch, open daily, 25 cents. I believe it was $5. Let me see. $5, the Target dollar spot. I like the sage green. You can use it this way, or you can reverse it and use it this way, whichever way you prefer, but it's just a really cute, inexpensive throw pillow to decorate for Easter. Alright guys, so this is the really cute rainbow rope coil basket that they have. It has a dual purpose, so after it's done being an Easter basket, it can be used as a storage item to hold toys, or just for a decorative item in your kids' room. This is just full of candy right now, like some M&Ms and some Junior Mints and some Skittles and some Sour Patch Kid bunnies. They're actually shaped like little bunnies. How cute is that? And then there's some Gummy Cluster Nerds. They're soft and gummy inside. Ooh, I have to take some of those for myself. But my favorite Easter item for candy are the Peeps Marshmallow Delights. They are dipped in decadent milk chocolate, and they are absolutely delicious. I will probably eat more of these than I need before Easter gets here. And they also have, of these rope coil baskets, the Easter Bunny, but it doesn't have any pops of color on the handles, which I really like. And then we also have some Hershey milk chocolate eggs. Those are always a good classic Easter basket candy too. On to the actual, like, I guess it's a living room decor. This is a bunny pillow. These are actually embroidered, and this is the pop of color, the yellow. They also have the neutral tan one. I ordered a couple of those, I think 2 of them, and they are on their way. So these are definitely a good price at $15 when they're embroidered bunnies. They're not just painted on, so that is a good deal. So we're back with some more Threshold goodies. So this is one of the bathroom hand towels. You don't have to use it in your bathroom. You can really use it anywhere you want. It's so cute. The bunnies and the floral. I love the green color. Also picked up some of these egg-shaped plates. They're stoneware, so they're really good quality. And when you're setting your table for Easter, you can like put the charger down and then put the main course plate down and then put this appetizer plate on top, and then coordinate the different colors. So you could do like 2 pink and 1, I think this is like a blue green, and then 1 yellow, or you could do all the same color. It just makes it really fun. And I'm trying to get excited about Easter this year because we didn't do anything for Easter last year. So yeah, hope you all are enjoying this video and getting excited with me as well. The next thing I picked up is this really cute watering can because I love gardening and I love all things floral for spring. And it has this cute little wooden handle and it's really good quality. And I plan to put these white fake tulips in it, use it as a decorative item until I start getting my plants ready. Yeah, I haven't got my plants planted yet, but I'm getting on it, so stay tuned. This is the tulips you've seen from my Michael's haul video. They were only $4.99, which is a really good deal. On sale, they're originally $9.99, so go check out that video if you're interested in checking out what I got from Michael's. And if you're interested in these bunnies in the back, you can go check out my DIY video as well for those. And I hope you guys enjoyed this Target haul, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!